So with the Chanel price increase, everyone knows back then, 2019, I got this one about $3,500. This one. But now if I buy brand new of mini flap, this one goes to $4,900. Yeah, so it's quite a bit jump of price. So I'm thinking like, okay, I sell this one. So I'm selling this one back. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video, I think I just want to update on my Chanel bags. Everyone, I think, see my Chanel bags unboxing for this one. Yeah, this is my Chanel bags I bought back in 2019. Classic flap and then really nice pink color, and then with sort of rusted gold hardware, and then also that it's a Chanel mini. I really like this rectangular shape because it's was able to get most of the daily used items in here. So just to give you some, I have all the stuff loaded as much as possible. So here I can open this up, and I can have my phone in here and have my card holder and keychain holder, and then just a little bit makeup compact, and then lipstick in here. That's it. That's all I can put in here without stretching too much of it. And then I really like this shape because that at least I can fit in all the daily stuff, and then also the keychain, the chain is long enough for me to do the crossbody. So I really enjoy this bag. However, it is really pink. So sometimes it's not gonna be not good for all the occasions, and then also like I want to be more versatile, so I want to have something a different color, like a more neutral color. So I think about a year ago I decided to buy another one. So it's a skirt mini with this crush, these Chanel ball here. I bought this from the Fashionphile. So I think I bought in the really rush mode. I was scrolling down and then I saw this one. The color is gorgeous, kind of like a gray color, but different lighting you can see maybe a little bit pink. And then also this is a lambskin mini square, and then also the hardware is kind of a brush gold, kind of rusty gold, which I really like. And then also the chain size is the same, length is the same. Yeah, it's really nice looking. So I decided, okay, I can buy this one. I didn't even think about the price. I think it was just impossible purchase at the moment. I didn't think of the price. I think at the time was probably over $7,000. but it really is just not usable because it's a square and then it barely can fit my phone. Let me show you. I purchased a insert in here just to protect the skin a little bit, but I can barely fit in here my phone. Barely can fit in here. And then probably one top is just my, yeah, I cannot fit one more. See? Yeah, I can't one closing. Hopefully it will close. Yeah, I have to really squeeze. I have to really squeeze this in to close, so I won't do that. So I'm gonna keep my chin out. Just do this way. Yeah, I can at least have my wallet and my phone in here. So it's just like really hard to fit in everything in my day-to-day use. And I feel it's just this rectangular shape it's maybe better. I don't know why. It's just not enough room, I think. So I decided to sell this bag to Fashionphile. File you can sell and then also you can buy and then sell. If you go to their website, you can see your purchase, your quotes. You can click on sell button, but going through your purchase, you should be able to see some of the purchase that you did. For example, I can show you what I did here on screen, which was last year. I purchased these Chanel bags, yeah, for over $7,300. So I decided to sell it back. You can sell this bag right now. It gives you a quote that expires in July. It will expire in July. So it buy back, it buy back about $5,100, which is pretty good. If you actually decided to have a store credit, it actually get 10% bonus. So you can purchase definitely quite a few things that you can do, quite a few like luxury bags, even on Fashionphile, or you can actually buy something brand new. So with the Chanel price increase, everyone knows back then, 2019, I got this one about $3,500, this one. But now if I buy brand new of mini flap, this one goes to $4,900. Yeah, so it's quite a bit jump of price. So I'm thinking like, okay, I sell this one. So I'm selling this one back to Fashionphile. Yeah, so if I sell this bag, I'm thinking about buy brand new, using that money towards my brand new Chanel bags. Couple bags in mind. Was one of them is still this rectangular mini, but in the still lambskin but black kind of color, so that can be more versatile. And then also another one is not a classic flap, but the 2.55. I think it's 2.55 reissue calf age skin. Calf skin, I think it's aged calf skin. So I think that one, if I can purchase that, it's also pretty good. I think I put a picture here. One of this is a classic one, one of it's a classic mini, and then one of it's the 2.55 age calfskin. I think that one looks really pretty. The other options I'm thinking is this one. It's a flat bag, but it's a little bit more than what I want. It's a bit bigger. It's $6,100, but it's a little bit bigger. Dimensions 2.9 times 10.2 times 2.8 8 inches. So these are some options I'm looking at. Comment on below if you think which ones that I should purchase for my new Chanel bag. I'll keep everyone updated once I sell back. I'll just comment. I'll just see how experienced I'll sell this bag, and then also once I got the new ones, and hopefully I can cross fingers if I can get new ones at all. But I'll keep this updated as a series. Okay, that's it. Hopefully you enjoy this little video on the update of my Chanel bags, and I'll keep you updated if I got a new one after I sell this bag. Bye bye!